Here are some important facts to know before beginning. Streepene effectively removes stubborn stains and colors that have bled. Streepene can be used on color items. To control Streepene's bleaching activity, use heat and acids to increase the activity. Use cold, an ammonia or an alkali to decrease activity. Keep the container tightly closed and only use a clean, dry scoop for removal. Streepene should not be in contact with any metal except stainless steel. Do not use Streepene on garments with metallic fibers, and avoid contact with metal buttons, zippers, and trims. Begin by applying Mulsilite. Check for any movement of the stain. Always start with the gentlest solution and gradually progress to the strongest. Leave Mulsilite on and heat the area to help aid in stain penetration. Assess the stain. If the stain remains, apply Streepene using a spatula, spreading it evenly across the stained area. Then apply Streepene to help dissolve the powder and speed the action. Use low steam or fogging technique to heat the area and increase activity. Be careful not to blow off the powder. Rinse the area with steam to make an assessment. If the stain is still visible, repeat the same steps. Rinse with steam, then assess the stain. If the stain is removed, use a combination of air and steam to feather dry the stained area to prevent water rings and re-cleaning.
Thank you for trusting us with your garments. We hope that this video has been helpful. Please like and subscribe to follow us for more Streets Academy videos.